Alright, so looking at our problem, the first thing we have is 5x squared minus 17x plus 6. And the first thing we're going to do with this problem is we're going to multiply the 5, the first variable, times the 6, the last variable, which is going to give us 30. And looking at the 30, we're going to think up all the factors that add together to equal 30. So we have 1 and 30. 2, 15, 5, 6, 2 and 15. And looking at that, we're going to try and think of what two numbers are going to multiply to give us 30 and add to give us negative 17. And this is our answer. So after we found our two factors, we're going to rewrite the equation as 5x squared minus 15x negative 2x plus 6. So we've split apart the middle variable. Next, we're going to look at what number we can pull out of each of the individual variables. And that is going to be, we can pull 5x out. And then on the inside of the parentheses, we still have x minus 3. So we can see that the 5x times x is 5x squared. And the 5x times negative 3 is negative 15x. So then we're going to do the same thing with the next parentheses, and we're going to pull out a negative 2. Which still leaves us with x minus 3. And that will give us negative 2x plus 6. So now you can see that we've isolated the same variable in the parentheses. So then we can write it as 5x minus 2 and x minus 3. But we're not done yet. We need to set both of those variables equal to 0. So we're going to write that as 5x minus 2 equals 0. And add the 2, which gives us 5x equals 2. Divide that by 5, and we have x equals 2/5. Now we're going to do that with the other problem, which is x minus 3 equals 0, which is our other variable. We're going to add 3 to both sides, and we have x equals 3. So we end with our final answers of x equals 3 and x equals 2/5. And we're done.